if you are still uploading your videos as a small creator and you notice that in the first 3 hours you uploaded your videos, your views are dropping. Some of us will just upload videos and come back, they barely get views. And sometimes you will struggle to even get 20 views. In this video, I'm going to show you this hidden setting, this secret settings. Most creators have been using this setting to get a lot of views, but they are not telling us. Of course, I'm going to show you this hidden setting on your YouTube studio so that you go and turn it on. Now, but before I show you that, I want you to take a look at this. Yes, this is what we call impression. Now, if you upload your video and you get an impression, that will give you an insight or give you a hint of how good the video will be performing. But that doesn't mean that your video is going to die, because there are some videos that take off after 3 hours, 1 week, 1 month. I have noticed it in my channel. Okay, so I'm going to show you this setting that you need to go and turn on, because once you turn it on, YouTube will start going to push your video and YouTube will start recommending your video. Yes, I mean the YouTube algorithm will be going to favor your channel because you have activated this setting. So, but before I show you, I want you to do something for me. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. So come with me because I'm taking it one step at a time. Okay, let's go right now. I want you to come over to your Chrome browser and type studio.youtube.com. So once we bring you to this interface, click on continue to studio. Once you click on continue to studio, we'll wait for it to bring us to our dashboard. Okay, once it has bring you to this your interface, now I want you to do something for me. You know that before you get views, before you get recommendation, before you get views, before you get subscribers, before you get watch hours on this YouTube, you need YouTube recommendation. And for that recommendation, YouTube algorithm will still need to understand your video and know how to push it. And I pity a lot of small creators saying that YouTube is not pushing my video. But if YouTube is not pushing your video, you are not getting the views. I want you to stop. Now, once you come over to this particular your Chrome browser, click on this pencil icon. You see this pencil icon now. Click on it. Now, once you click on it, yes, can you see it? Click on this home tab now. Once you click on this home tab, relax. I know you know this particular side, but what if I tell you that there is some secret settings you haven't turned on, and that is why your videos are not getting the views? YouTube is not recommending your videos to people who want to watch your content, your kind of content. Okay, so now once you come over here, now you see this right hand side. Now can you see this in the right art section? Yes, I want you to do something for me. Go to your own, click on this art section. Now once you click on this art section, you are going to see all these options here. Now the reason why you are seeing some of my options are dim and some that is highlighted is because I have already set my own. Let me redo my own back again so that you see what I mean. I need to cancel this. I need to cancel this. Okay, now what are you going to do? Click on this art session. Yes, once you click on this art session, now you are going to see that before this my channel trailer and my spotlight for returning viewers are dim, like they are not popping up. They are not like this before. Now I have to redo it. Now once you come over to your own, click on this channel trailer. Now I want you to choose a video, the best performing video, or a video that is the most popular on your channel. Now the reason why you are choosing any video here is to make sure that anybody that is coming to your channel for the first time, maybe fortunately one of your video went viral, and you know that when you have a viral video, people will start checking other of your videos. Now let's say you have a viral video and you have a new visitor on your channel. The first video that they are going to see on your channel home
is this video you have selected, this channel trailer, and you want them to click on that video because that video is like an open market, is like a sample of what your channel is all about. So you need that best performing video. Now it will make them once they click on this channel trailer, this first video, now once they enjoy it, it will give them the room and confidence to watch other of your video. And now you don't want all those subscription, all those new visitors to come to your channel without doing anything. You want to keep them on your channel. Once you have picked the best video, click the add section again and click a second one, which is spotlight for returning subscribers. Any returning subscriber that is coming to your channel again, you want another video that will hook them, that will make them not to ever look back at your channel. This is what we call spotlight for returning subscribers. So you need to pick a video that you think that maybe they might not see, so you need to click, or a video that is not actually performing well. Now you need to put that video because you have already gained their trust. That is why they are returning on your channel. Once they watch it, they believe that, okay, what this person is saying is true since I've watched other of his or her video. So you want to keep all those subscribers on your channel and make YouTube to recommend your video. So click on this spotlight and choose a video. Let me pick any video that can actually hook them. Okay, you just click on any video. Then once you click on it, make sure you click on this publish. Now once you click on this publish, the setting has been saved. Like this setting will now take effect on your channel. Now once you look at my own, you can actually see that I've set it all my own, both the short videos, the videos, the past live stream, the created playlist, the post, my collaborations, my popular videos. So go and set all your own. Make sure that every single thing here is turned on. Maybe you can actually decide not to set your live, your upcoming live stream, your single playlist. Just make sure you set this important one. You can actually pause this particular part and watch how I set my own, so that you can use that same process to set up your own. Okay, now without doing that, I want you to also click on this small setting. Now once you click on this small setting, you make sure that all these things, your content type, your video, your short, your live stream, are turned on. You see all these things. Now make sure that they are turned on. Now once all of them are turned on, you come over here and make sure that you turn on to this first word, this first all content recommended. It will make YouTube will always update the for you section with fresh content. And what are this for you section? This for you section are the first setting that I told you should turn on. Yes, that is what YouTube will now be showing to any visitors. Like YouTube will just be flipping every of your content, all your content, both the ones you have posted in 8 months ago, 2 years ago, both the ones you recently posted. YouTube will just be refreshing all of them. And you know that once any viewer eventually click on them, they will want to watch more of your video. That is, if you want YouTube to actually recommend your video, go and turn on your own. Because if you not turn it off, there is no way YouTube will actually understand what your channel is all about, and they will not even know who they will push your videos to. They will keep on pushing your videos to random type of audience. Okay, so you want in a situation whereby you want to get that recommendation, you want to get the views, you want to get all the good thing that will make YouTube to push your video to the right audience. These are the simple things you need to do. So once you are done activating all this thing, click on done. Once you click on done, you also come here and click on publish, and all these things will be published. Okay, trust me guys, once you toggle everything on, you are going to see a big difference on your video. Okay, so I believe you are going to do it, and I believe you start getting views. Okay, thank you. If this video find you interesting and helpful, do well to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your bell notification so that you get notified each time I upload videos like this. Thank you, and I'm going to see you on my next video.